Welcome back to the MSU Assessment channel. This video is part of the SPOL Assessment Platform tutorial series and is brought to you by the Institutional Assessment Team at Murray State University. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to cancel the assessment plan or report submission for administrative units. Let's get started. From the SPOL homepage, make sure you selected the correct academic or fiscal year from the Planning or Reporting Year drop-down menu. Then, click the Assessment module icon. From the Assessment sidebar, click the All Assessments link. Now, click the drop-down menu right beside the All Assessment by Program heading. Then, select the option by Administrative Unit. Once redirected to the All Assessment by Administrative Units page, select the name of the unit to cancel its corresponding submitted plan or report. For this example, we will use the Office of Institutional Effectiveness unit. Once redirected to the Administrative Unit Details page, click the Reviews tab. Next, click the UAC Annual Unit Review lane. Then, choose the Unit-Assessment Plan lane if you're canceling a plan submission. Or choose the Unit-Assessment Report lane if you're canceling a report submission. For this example, we are canceling a submitted plan. From the Response window pane, click the drop-down menu and select Undo Approval. Confirm the action by clicking Yes. And there you have it. You just canceled the submitted plan or report. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to MSU Assessment YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials and updates. Or contact us at msu.assessment@murraystate.edu if you have any questions. For more information about Outcomes Assessment at Murray State, please visit our website by clicking the About link in the description box below. Happy assessing, and go Racers!